me ask you something. Would you watch this video if it were in black and white? No, you probably wouldn't, because without colors, it's not engaging. It lacks that wow factor, that spark. Today, I want to talk about why changing your phone screen to black and white can be incredibly beneficial. We're all guilty of spending too much time on our phones. We're so addicted because of the captivating colors and sounds. But what if I told you that by switching your phone to black and white, you will find it less enticing? Just like how you might find a newspaper boring, your phone will replicate that experience. Our addiction to smartphones can negatively impact our eyes and mental health. By removing the vibrant colors, your brain won't be constantly stimulated, giving it a chance to rest and recharge. You'll find it easier to detach the phone and engage the world around you. Another reason to switch to black and white and increase focus and productivity. When everything is grayscale, distractions are minimized, allowing you to concentrate on important tasks at hand. Imagine how much more you would accomplish without the constant temptation and colorful apps and notifications. You know, the blue light on our phone screen can disrupt our sleeping pattern. By switching to black and white, it's a simple change that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Let me show you how to switch your phone to black and white, and I'll do a screen recording so you can follow along and make the quick change yourself. It's an easy process that can make a world of difference. Check your screen time when you do it. Just give it a week trial, 2-3 day week trial at best. So let's get into it. You're gonna hit settings. You're gonna go to accessibility. Scroll down, accessibility shortcuts. You're gonna click on color filters. Then you're gonna make sure to check mark by color filters. Then you're gonna triple click on the side button right here. 1, 2, 3. And we out of there. Since switching my phone to black and white, I've experienced a remarkable difference in my daily life. I'm no longer glued to my screen. I feel more present and focused and connected with the world around me. It's been truly a game changer. So if you want to take control of your phone usage and improve your focus, sleep better, enhance your overall well-being, I highly recommend giving black and white mode a try. It's a simple adjustment that can lead to significant positive changes in your life. Embrace the simplicity and step away from the distraction. Remember, life is waiting for you beyond the screen. We're trying to get better in life and increase our productivity. But if you're really trying to get ahead and achieve in life, this is a small task, small thing to a giant. Change that phone, cut back your screen time, add productivity in your life, get better sleep, and let's rule the world. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to hear about the amazing transformations and experiences. And let me know down in the comments how much time you save on your screen time. Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you got any other productivity hacks, add them below, and we out.